Well, today I'm going to have a wander around the Noosa Beach Classic Car Club 2024 Classic Car Show. It was quite a good event. Attendance of cars was down a little, but otherwise really good. So settle in and have a look at what's going on here. Not your standard kit for a BMW. It's a full turbo, everything you need to make it go quick. Obviously a Concours candidate. How's this for really slick presentation? It's a 1957 Oldsmobile with a little extra work. There's a gleaming Stingray in the morning sunlight. A Cougar convertible, straight from Arizona. Noosa Hill Climb. They're presenting a little tiny Minetti. Should be a nimble little thing to play with. This is a Suzuki Cappuccino. An extremely diminutive little machine. Little two-seat sports car. Extremely small. Sporting a 3-cylinder twin cam engine. Very sporty little thing. It can be made to really get up and boogie too. Interesting. A very clean little Mini Cooper. Once these things began racing, they really put the wind up the more powerful vehicles because of their handling. And what's this exhaust belong to? Couldn't be anything else but an E-Type Jaguar. This one, the coupe, and the red one behind it is the convertible. And this is what everybody prays for, the beautiful Jaguar twin cam engine. And this is the classic nose of one of the most beautiful sports cars ever made. Nice stately row of Jaguars. Finishing with a classic XK140. Nothing else looks like this. It's a 1926 Packard 526. They're an extremely solid sort of a motor car in their day. Quite an elite sort of car in their day, very strong.
Yeah.
And some of them, because of their reliability, were cut down and used as farm trucks, would you believe? Right, Buick LeSabre. A vast expanse of American engineering. It's a Ford Cobra Daytona, extremely rare piece of gear. Very potent, very quick. There we go, the business end of the Daytona Cobra. Tons of power. This was about as hot as the Cobra's got. This little Daihatsu is one of the wave of K cars, K-E-I, that proliferated in Japan as a necessity for the congested areas. Very small and diminutive. They're very capable though and very roomy inside. Come in many shapes and sizes, from sports cars to vans, trucks, and anything you can imagine. Oh, solid black. Right, let's open the door. Don't want to strain yourself. But no, inside it's a four-seater. Exceptional amount of room for such a small vehicle. Very, very nice. There's a Commodore V6 engine in a 1954 FJ Holden body. Quite the custom machine. Beautiful, beautiful paint. Quite outstanding attention to detail. In case you were wondering, this is zippy. Nothing like a Porsche for zipping. The BMW Minis are something of a classic. This is the Mini Cooper S. Nice little soft top, beautifully appointed. They may not be old and classic, but the Minis are always a classic. the Bolwell, an Australian made kit car using standard, even V8 engines, and not so standard. Here it is. This is the machine to travel in time with. Complete with flux capacitor. The DeLorean has become quite a cult car. Because if you bring a rally car to a car show, you can leave it dirty. It just adds to the ambience. Toyota Crown, the 6-cylinder mid-range car from Toyota, quite the thing in their day. They were a cut above the American-based mid-sized cars. This is a particularly good one for its age. And nothing like early Land Cruisers for a bit of value for money. These things are commanding more and more money for the earlier ones. They're quite collectible. Quite a good attendance of people, vehicles, including this year motorcycles, in this case the Historic Motorcycle Club of Queensland. All the MGs spread out over here. Getting in behind the motorcycles here. Not as many bikes as we would have liked this year, but this is first time, so maybe next year we'll drum up a bit more. 1966 Ducati 350 Sebring. Very nice, light, nimble sort of a motorcycle. These were the days when there was nothing extraneous on the bikes at all. Yeah, just the very basics. The WLA wartime Harley, all spiffed up and converted with a nice chair on the side. Quite the outfit. So I've got my K1 BMW here today. I'm going to put a for sale sign on it and see how it goes. But some of them are a little bit. They're certainly not a common thing. Very nice, heavily customised Norton from the old days into a classic little cafe racer. And the MG camp all around here now with the TGs, little saloons, MGAs, etc. Right around to the Chinese electrics. 1948 MGY type saloon, 1¼ litre. Nice little thing. Get your picnic in the back. very much recognisable as MG. A Ford Super Deluxe 8. 47. It's a 65 Ford Thunderbird. Bonnets are up at the moment because they're being judged. Another rally car. There's a very nice Mercedes 190 SL. These for the baby, the 300 SL with the glamour girls of the mark. Is not taking anything away from these though. The quality of these are a real classic. The Mercedes 220 sedan in very good condition. It's in very nice original condition. Carmen Ghia, of course the sports car of the Volkswagen world in the day. Nice, light, nimble little car. Very much in demand now if you can find them. The later model Porsches have their own style as well. Extremely well maintained whale tail. It's the Porsche row. Nice little supercar from Audi. A lot of performance, a lot of style. Mustangs as far as you can see. The old classics right through to the new ones. Let's have a peek under the bonnet. It's difficult to see stuff on the modern car with all the plastics and things. Modern beast. It's a Corvette Stingray. NSX Honda. Well, I'm going to have to leave it there. It was a nice sunny day, beautiful conditions. Everybody, I think, was happy with the results. Please, if you enjoyed the thing, press the like button and subscribe. It does help any YouTube video you watch. And we'll see if I can get up the energy to strike up some more interesting things in what I'm doing. Thank you. Bye-bye.